make some
3, 2,
entertaining
1,
stuff.
go!
Yeah. Proing. Got the GoPro proing. Alright. Well, let's sit down and say a little hi real quick. You don't have to sit down.
Hi,
What's up, guys?
I know you don't want me to do this, but I have my own this thingy.
This is the impact drill.
Yeah.
Cordless impact drill. Electric. But yeah, we're down here. We're gonna get to tearing some of the interior on this car. What you got to say? No.
I know I'm holding this, but we're going to break the car a little bit.
Yeah, he's kind of right. We're gonna break some stuff out of it. Well, not necessarily break it, but yeah, this interior's got to come out. We need to get the back seat out. Some of these are going bye-bye. We're gonna get some much better ones equipped for 5-point harnesses and whatnot. And yeah,
our basement is nasty.
It's not nasty. I've cleaned it up a lot. Why you gotta be so mean, dude? Anyways, thanks for joining and tuning in, and hope you enjoyed. Sorry that some of these breakdown videos could be a little bit boring, but it's kind of necessary. It's what we got to do to get it to where we want it, to be able to improve upon what we're doing. So hang with us a little bit, and we'll get to the fun stuff for too long here, I promise.
Okay.
Do this one. I'm gonna drill all the way over like this so you can get on it. Make sure you get on it good and square. Make sure you're on it. Yep, you're out already. Good job. So pull the bolt out. Oh, you already pulled it out too. It's in the gun. It's right there. Pull it out of there. Yep, set it down. Good job, dude.
Wait, I got both of them?
Yeah, the other one's right there.
Oh,
Here,
cool.
hang on. I'm gonna get something you can put them in.
Can I see? I want the YouTubers see this thing.
Pull it out.
Yeah.
Okay, show it to them.
Look, guys, I put some bolts. That's cool.
All right, here, put the bolts in here so we don't lose them. Perfect. Okay, here, I'm gonna do the other. Good job.
Here we go.
Thank you, kiddo.
Welcome.
These suckers open with this screwdriver. It's a little big, but I can make it work.
Door.
All right, that one's open. And that one's open.
I got my safety glasses.
Yeah, you got your safety glasses.
You need your safety glasses too.
I think I'll be okay.
Okay, shining blue gold. You got a shining gold.
Alright, we got these two done. Okay, come on over here, buddy. Come back over here. Come back on the other side over here. You want to use this wrench and take it out? 'Cause here, use this. Keep going that way with it. Yeah, keep doing that. Oh, you gotta make sure you stay on it. You gotta hold your hand down here. Put your other hand here, Michael, and push on it. There you go. So it stays on there. Just like that. Good job, dude. Keep going until it's all the way out.
Is it out now?
No, it takes a little bit. You can go further though. You can go like all the way with it. There you go. Gets a good stroke out of it. Oh, it came off. Make sure you get back on the bolt. stuff in there. Yeah, it's just dirt and stuff. Some change. Some money. Money.
I want that.
Look, the money. Old money.
What?
It's still, you can still spend it. It's just old money. It's been in there for a long time.
I want it.
Destructive mice tearing up my seat, everything else.
Me, Daddy. I'm a fixer.
I'll take these out. Back seat out.
The back
It's
seat.
freaking nasty back here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Mice.
Oh, mice.
Dadgum rodents.
Are they dead?
Yeah, they're long gone. I don't think. They might not be dead, but they're definitely not in here anymore.
They moved in. Probably moved
Mess
in.
underneath here. It's like
The
some
mice.
Some mouse found some medication or something. A chewed up pill there.
Can I try all of it? No?
Yeah, this is how dirty of a teardown you get when it's a car that's been sitting for as long as
Ever.
this one has. Yeah, I mean this is
Waiting for someone.
yeah, like it's crazy the amount of stuff that you're gonna just dirt and it was not this nasty when I set it down. That's what's crazy about it.
Ow.
That's using your head. Oh, come on. Don't be, come on. Brush it off. Brush it off. There you go. Shake it off. You'll be fine.
What did I hit my bone? Whoa.
Dude, would you pay attention to what you're doing?
I fall again.
Yeah, quit falling. It's this one right here. Especially rusting itself to the carpet. Man, why does that thing so warped?
Is that heavy?
Well, that's not that heavy. It's not that heavy. Hit the camera.
It's kind of heavy.
Just a little bit.
Ow! That actually tickled. My big booty. Big lawn cafe.
Michael's done with bed, so continue carrying this. What else is this? Not very good. Late, like 3 o'clock in the morning, working on the Prelude. The neighbor dogs are out here going off. I don't know what about, but step outside, just see this little dude's just outside the back door. He's scared. I don't want to hurt you, little man, or girl, whatever you are, little possum. He's following the light. That's funny. just scared. He said, I don't want to hurt you. Stay away from those dogs, especially the little small fat one. He's real mean. Alright. Safe journeys, little Mr. Possum. Or Miss Possum. Just a little quick recap on the last couple nights. The walls were taken out. Pretty good progress. Door sills pulled out. Got a bunch of whole stereo wiring, seat belts and stuff. So we're gonna get 5-point harnesses. We won't need the stock ones. Found another mouse nest. Whole under part of the dash, center console, that's all out. Seat is a mess. I'm kind of afraid to see what's underneath of it, how dirty it is. But, you know, that's all part of it. Let's see. Let's go over here real quick. Also got the heat shield out from underneath the car. That is a massive heat shield for a car. Usually nowadays they come in like 3-4 pieces, but old school it's one solid piece. So, and then all the rest of the power steering lines, they were all right on top of this subframe coming through here. Cleared it up a lot. Looks a lot better there now. I'm also toying with the idea of going with a Civic steering rack as well as the other things I mentioned in the last video. Almost forgot about this rear sub brace that I had down on the floor behind the front passenger seats. Don't know if I'm going to use that over or not. It did help though. And we also got the seats out too. Those are fun. Still got to get the back part of the back seat out. Also wanted to say it was really fun having Michael down here, having him help me. That's the first time he's really kind of helped me on this so far. So that was a lot of fun. So yeah, that's where it's at now. Coming along nicely. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Catch you on the next video. God bless.